Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing well. And as you can see, we have the Marshall Emberton Speaker, and I really wanted to get my hands on this, and I can't wait to hear how it sounds because I've wanted a speaker, a quality one, for a while, and I may have overpaid for this, but it's fine. Let's get right into this unboxing. Alright, I can't find my knife, so we're going to use the next best thing, which is this utility craft knife thing. I don't know what it is, but anyway, so this cost me around $180. The stock price was around $150. As you can see here, we have our signature sound from Emberton. We have 20 hours of playback, IPX7 water and dust resistant, or at least water resistant, and we have multi-directional control knob, which is really cool. And you have obviously the portability of the speaker considering its size. I mean, look at it, very, very small and easy to hold. And then we have our Bluetooth connectivity, obviously. And so Emberton, really loud, rich speaker. And we have some other info on the side. And then on this side, we have a picture of the speaker itself, which I can't wait to see. Let's put this to the side. We have our manuals, our books. Let's put them to the side. And we have the speaker itself. And we have our cable down here. Nothing inside the box, or at least we have a little plastic thing hidden here. Oh, okay. Anyway, let's put this to the side. I sound like Chandler there. But anyway, we can open this up, and that'll reveal our speaker. So you can see just how portable and small the speaker is. Look at my hand, right? You grab it. It's very, very compact. I really do like this. It's definitely something that you can travel around with, no problem. And as you can see there, the Marshall branding, very nice in gold, or what they call bronze, but still very neat. Alright, so here we have our cables. Of course I had to rip it. Okay. We have USB Type-C, so very cool to see, to USB Type-A. So very cool to see USB Type-C technology going over to all parts of technology. And as you can see here, we have Emberton, then this is where we connect for Bluetooth. We have our control buttons right here. We got volume up and down, we have side to side skip tracks, and right here we have our battery indicator as stated by that little icon right there. So we are gonna have an idea of how much battery this has. So let's see and try to turn it on. Alright, so I'm gonna charge it real quick, kind of mess around with it, and then I'll be back with the review. Alright, so I got it all set up. As you can see, beautiful bronze logo. Here we have our Bluetooth Connect mode, and obviously our little embroidery of Emberton name. And here we have skip track, or go back a track, skip track, up and down volume. And pretty much all you do is just push up, push down, push up, push down. Whatever you want to do. Here is the LED indicator for the battery. And here it's actually another speaker. So two sides to this speaker. So very cool. Got your warnings and stuff down there. And here you got your charging port and nothing on this side. So let's get a little bit of a sound test going on here. So I'm going to face it this way, and this is non-copyrighted music. Here we go. This is what we're playing, and let's get some volume on this. So we have obviously around what, 80%. And if you do change it, it's going to change on the phone. So you go up, and then there you go. So it's going to go up by 5s. So you're at 85 right now. Let's see. Let's see how it sounds. so far, I'm not gonna lie to you, I've been spending already a couple of days with it. So from the last time I recorded this to this very recording, it's been a couple of days. So I'm already so impressed with it. But if you don't see my natural reaction, it's because I've already been exposed to how good it sounds, and so I kind of forget, oh, I'm recording a video. I need to react to this. I need to show people how good it sounds. This one is so good. It sounds so good. It's the clarity on this, and now I'm going to play an original song. This is my own kind of soundtrack going on here. So let's see if we can get some music here. Alright, so here's this next one. Alright, so I don't know how well this is coming across in video, but I'm pretty sure it will not do it justice. This sounds very, very good, and I mean, I'm just blown away by the sound quality. I mean, this is a speaker specifically designed for those who want, you know, really good highs, really awesome mids, but this will also do a little bit of bass, and it's not like the heaviest bass in the world, but it is going to provide you with enough bass to still keep the whole song dynamic. Pop songs, R&B, all those genres that don't involve too much bass, they will have a very good time on the speaker. You're going to love listening to all of that. And also rock is definitely something that you're going to love listening to out of the speaker. And since it's Marshall, you guys, come on. They're built for rock and roll, come on. So this is a very high quality speaker. I absolutely love it. Link will be in the description. Highly recommend this little, I mean, just look how small it is. I mean, it's so compact and you can just carry it around and you're chilling. And it's just something that you can always carry with you regardless of its size because it's just so compact. And that's what makes it so, so nice. And plus it packs a punch. The sound quality is amazing. And really, for this kind of money, it's just so nice. Now, obviously, I paid a little bit more because of the gold or like the bronze logos. You don't have to do that. Don't be financially irresponsible like me. I got it because I liked it. And I know some people will just like the normal bronze color and then a white logo. Or you can go with the cream version, which is like all white. And then it has like the chrome or the bronze, and it's very, very nice. But I chose the matte black because most of the things that I own are matte black. We're gonna go through one more song just so you guys can get more of an idea of how this sounds. We're gonna go to max volume on this. Alright, so you heard it there. Hopefully, at least it sounds decent on the other side. But I know that this is not going to do it justice. I mean, the sound quality is just not going to be there for the ones that are going to be watching this. You just have to hear it in person. So you're just going to have to kind of believe me. I don't know how much credibility I have yet, because obviously credibility takes time to build. So I'm just going to say this sounds amazing. You're going to love it and you're going to have a great time. And if you want to have like a mini party in your bedroom, then go for it. Especially if you have like a very like pop kind of vibe to you and you love listening to those very dancey songs, you're going to love this. Definitely. The speaker is just so dynamic and it's just so compact, which helps with bringing it everywhere. And it's so nice. Overall, really love the speaker. It's definitely worth the money. For me, I think it was. It definitely was for me. I really enjoy it, and it's something that I'm going to continue to use until it breaks. And just one last thing to mention, this does have IPX7 water resistance, so you don't have to worry about getting it wet or damaged, because it does have resistance towards water. Now don't dunk it in the pool, but you know, if something happens, it'll be fine. So that's another thumbs up for me. I really love this speaker. And battery life has been excellent. It has just been phenomenal. As you can see here, we still have around half battery left, and I haven't charged it since the day I got it, which has been what, 2 weeks now. So it, you know, it holds up. Definitely, the battery is just a tank, so you don't have to worry about battery life. Plus it always just tells you right there. So very cool. Charging, I mean, it's a little slow. Obviously it's a huge battery inside, but it comes with USB Type-C, so it's faster than it would have been had it been USB normal. So very cool. I love this speaker, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video as much as I loved to make this. So go check it out. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, peace.